What's up, nail friends? Today is my last video of the whole year, so I'm going to be sharing with you guys this fun New Year's design in gel. So let's get started. The main color I'm using in this set is called #LoveMyJob, and it's this really beautiful metallic gray color. It's from Elegance, and the brush I'm using here is from Egoista, and this is just a gel brush. So I have one that I use for clear and then one I use for color and glitter. So I'm just coming in here and I'm applying it close to the cuticle area and just doing a full coverage with this. I'm only applying one thin layer on the pinky because this nail will be a sugar nail. I'm going to be applying this color on the ring finger, the middle finger, and the thumb as well, but I'm actually going to be building the color up a bit, and I am going to swirl it around to create kind of a cool, different kind of effect, something you can't really do with acrylic colors. So I really like metallic gels because they do a really cool effect. So I just apply a thin layer to start, and then I'll build this color up a little bit. So I didn't cure it yet, I'm just coming in and applying a little bit more over top of the gel I've already placed. So I'm just moving my brush around a bit to kind of create this swirly metallic look. So I built the color up all over the whole nail because this nail will have crystals on it. For the middle finger and the thumb, I'm doing the same thing, but instead of building the color up all the way to the cuticle area when I apply my second little layer to try to create that cool effect, I'm only applying it on half the nail because I'm going to be applying some cool star-shaped inlays, and I want it to be as thin as possible so that when I finish file, I don't accidentally file it off. The best rose gold of life is French Press from Elegance, and it is super beautiful. And I'm just going to be applying this all over the pointer finger because my friend and model absolutely loves this color and is obsessed with it. I had to incorporate it in this design. I'm going to be applying some gold and silver inlays, so I did give that a cure. Now I'm just coming in and applying a little bit of clear gel near the cuticle area. And then I'm going to be adding some inlays. These are from the nail team from their laser glitter collection, and this one is the silver. And I'm just using my gel brush to pick up that loose glitter and just push it into that wet gel. And then I'm using this really pretty kind of rose goldy coppery gold color called amber, and I'm just kind of layering that over top of the silver and dragging it down the nail. So I did cure that and then moved on, and now I'm applying another layer of clear gel, and then I'm coming in with these cool stars. I got these from Glitter Heaven Australia, and I'm just applying these on top of that clear gel, and that's exactly why I made that nice and thin right at the cuticle areas so that I could apply these stars. And I am going to layer them, so I'm going to apply them, cure this, and then do another layer because I really wanted this to have a cool layering effect. So I cured that first layer, and then I'm just repeating that process, applying the clear layer of gel first, and then going in and applying more of these stars to layer it over top. I did that design on the thumb as well, and I cured it, and then I'm going to be encapsulating all these nails with Elegance Cool Gel. So first I just come in and I apply a thin slip layer right at the cuticle area, and I drag this down the nail, and then I apply a bigger bead of clear gel, and then I build up my structure with this. So I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video because I will be doing a lot more intricate videos in the new year, so I just wanted to quickly get this video up for you guys as my last video of the year, so I won't go into too much detail with my application or my finish filing. So I just apply on top and build up all these nails, and then I am going to file them, and then we can decorate them a little bit more. After all 10 nails have been built up and applied and fully cured, I'm just coming in with a 100 grit hand file, and I'm just hand filing these nails. So gel is so easy to file, it's nothing like acrylic, it's like butter. So you don't really need an e-file that much for it. I like to hand file just because I find, because I'm used to acrylic, that I'll file too much off if I use an e-file. So just using a hand file and a light pressure and working on my shape. After all the nails have been finish filed and cleansed, I'm just coming in and applying some sugar on the pinky nail. So I'm going to be applying my Cure Sky No Wipe top coat first. So I apply this all over that nail, and you're not going to want to cure this. And then I'm coming in with this color called Eve from the nail team from their new Elite collection. It's just a sugar collection, and it's these really beautiful sugars. And I just sprinkled that into that wet gel, and then I gave that a cure. For the crystal nail, I'm going to be using my Kira Sky base, and then I'm going to be using some crystals from the Crystal Princess, the rose gold crystals, and these gold ones called Metallic Sunshine. I'm going to be using my Crystal Princess crystal tool, and I'm doing kind of a unique star type pattern coming out from the corner, and I'm just applying some beads and some gold triangles as well, just to give it some fancy look. So now I'm coming in and top coating these nails with my Kira Sky No Wipe top coat, and you're able to apply this on top of the embellishments, just don't apply it on top of the crystals. So I did get these cool triangle embellishments from Beamy Beauty Box, so I will link that down below. And if you have any embellishments sticking up, you can take a small brush and some hard gel and just shove it under there just so it doesn't get caught in your client's hair or come off at all. And then I'm just applying the No Wipe top coat on the other nails as well. So you're going to want to give your top coat a full cure, and here is the finished set. I hope you guys like this design, and let me know what you guys are doing down below for New Year's. And this will be my last set of the year, so I hope you guys subscribe and you guys will see a lot more in the new year. So make sure to hit that bell next to the subscribe button to be notified from whenever I post. If there's anything special you want to see me do in the new year, please let me know in the comment section and I will try to do that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye!